when she's out running the streets, you're going to want her like this. Come on.
You eating your porridge, baby?
Oh yeah.
Porridge. I'm with Miss Fussy Pants. She is not a happy baby. She's teething. She had a bad night again last night. I'm tired. Say hi. Ooh, you make a mess. It's okay. A little too watery today. I was gonna eat, but Zoe's too fussy. She doesn't want to be in the swing, so I'll starve. Just kidding. I'll eat later. Louder. Happy Thursday. No. Oh my god, I'm so tired. I'm finally getting to sit down and eat my porridge and have a cup of coffee. She's finished eating a long time ago and she's watching TV. Zosie's finally napping. She was so fussy. I just like had to carry her and deal with her for like an hour. Finally, she just like conked out. Hi. Joy of having kids. Audrey, can I have my spoon back? Thank you. Are you gonna feed me? Hungry. Audrey. Here, I help.
We're done?
Mm-hmm. Oh, you're gonna eat it. Can I have some? Oh.
Mommy, no, mommy, go down.
Mm-hmm. Never mind that you already ate your own, but you're gonna eat mommy's too, huh?
Mommy, bye.
Zozo plays on her mat, baby.
Mommy. No, wait. Now where? We will come. I'm being. That one done.
Not impressed.
Oh, we'll kick, I will kick one, two. I will kick one, I will kick one. I will kick. Yay! Okay, so one. Okay, kick. Kick. Oh, do the hour.
You win.
Oh,
Kick.
okay, it's over. Do it. Kick. What?
Good girl.
Okay, let's.
Barney, stop. B. Barnburn. Stop it, please. Thank you.
Almost
Almost. What are you trying to kick it to?
up on my feet, touching the back. Okay, let's kick. Ready?
kick, baby. Barney.
Bubba kick.
These dogs.
No,
Bye bye. Or Audrey, are you gonna be a soccer star?
Bubba kick. Bubba kick.
Between you and your sister, you love to kick. My soccer star, my little ballerina, my little dancer? Or are you the soccer star and are you the dancer? I don't know, we'll see. Yeah, Yodi's trying to kiss Zoe. Audrey does not appreciate it. Come give Zozo a kiss. Aww, you're sweet.
Kiki.
Annoying. Yoda, quiet. I hear you. Are you tired yet?
Oh yeah. No, Baba, ow, Baba. Baba.
Because I'm ready for this storm.
There's supposed to be a storm.
ABC News investigating last night's heroin epidemic.
You just now noticed I was here? No, not pizza, taco.
No, she said Wheatta.
Oh, I thought she said pizza.
I was
Good
saying,
girl.
Oh,
Because he would kick it old school
good.
and die in office. Because that man is so damn old.
He's being signed
You
into the
You
presidency,
want a bite?
and he's like, "Who?"
Hold on.
You
Well-
know they say not to talk about politics.
I mean, if Trump was elected, I pray God he would
Good
be
girl.
impeached within the first 2 or 3 months.
No, he'd be.
No.
His toupee would be signed in.
What'd you say?
Right?
No, that one.
Oh, I don't
She
know.
said his toupee would be signed in. Somebody found an
Pissed me
envelope.
off about the Odyssey was the
Everything?
fact.
Get down.
No, was the fact that he could cheat on his wife.
Like I said, everything.
Yeah, and then the wife.
It's basically a 10-year cheating spree. And
And then-
nobody says a thing. He makes it back, and
Oh
she
my,
wasn't
get your
supposed to have
phone
selected
down.
any suitors.
Yeah.
Even though she was convinced he was dead for 21 years.
She's gonna
He
poke
comes
herself.
back and he's like, "You've been cheating on me."
Yeah. What have you been doing? Nothing.
Excuse you?
Mind.
We're
You're not
gonna
gonna eat
sound
them?
like such family feminists.
Lunch and everything.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
I have ice cream for dessert. It's vanilla.
Yay!
Hey.
Although chocolate would have sufficed.
No, I like vanilla. I'm boring.
No, I like chocolate. I wouldn't want a chocolate.
No, chocolate.
Yeah, you
Chocolate,
do.
you don't like chocolate, and
Yeah,
she's
we
paying
know
for
you
it.
like chocolate, Anya.
Damn it.
Pick her up. One of these days, when she's out running the streets, you're gonna want her like this. Come on.
Huh? He wants to be held. Wants to be held.
Okay, one day I'm not gonna be sitting on your lap anymore. Daddy, come on, give me a minute. I gotta drive. Here we are.
You know you could have walked over here, right? You have legs. You can use them.
Don't be mean to her.
Daddy mean.
Don't tell her that, Aunt Molly.
She said it once. I heard it once. Come out of her mouth.
Yeah.
I know. Don't give me those judgmental eyes. Come back to me in like 5 minutes.
What if I bring home a guy like Mike? John Cena.
What?
Ronald Reagan.
Ronald Reagan?
How old was he?
Yeah.
Really? How old was he?
He was 69. Welcome to the
How
O'Byrne
old?
family, where
Bernie.
we talk about
He
politics.
was 59?
69.
Or 69?
How's Bernie?
Well, find out.
How old is Bernie Sanders?
74.
There
Oh.
There you go.
He would be the oldest president ever elected.
There you go.
Not by that much.
He's
That-
younger than you guys.
Oh, she's saying not old. Where's Wita?
She's over there.
Wita, Katie just called you old.
What?
Katie called you old.
She's the one that's gonna be old one of these days.
Have y'all seen that meme of him running?
In fact, she's already old now. She sleeps all day long. I don't sleep all day long.
Yeah.
Well, I hear
Actually,
when you,
that's true.
I hear
we
when
just
you
have to,
get
like-
older, you don't sleep as much.
Put her in your shoulders.
Blackie, Blackie.
Blackie, no.
Hey, grab Blackie so he doesn't scare Sully and make Sully bite.
Blackie.
Like she's doing right now.
Ah,
Like, share your bird.
get down.
Get it.
Get over there.
Now.
Get.
No.
Let him go. Hey.
That's what you get, Kate. I told you to grab Blackie.
Yeah.
Come here. Come here, Blackie.
Yeah, what are you doing except eat ice cream?
It's the dog scaring him or her.
Look at the birdie now. Look.
Mama,
Look.
touch the
Touch
birdie.
the birdie. Oop, 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 oop. Careful now. Touch the birdie.
Oh,
Oh, the
birdie, birdie.
Say I love you. I
Throw the
love
birdie a
you.
kiss, Mama. Go like this. Throw the birdie a kiss. Come on,
Hey, birdie.
come on.
Say I love you, birdie.
What's wrong, Archie?
I say I love you, birdie.
Pouting and I don't know why.
Because the birdie went away.
The
Want to see
birdie.
the birdie?
I like giving you.
You mumble kid.
You like the birdie, Mama? Okay.
Hey.
You want to touch the birdie?
Say Marty has the birdie.
Cuidado, honey, que no se vaya a caer.
Mama.
Say hello, birdie. Say hello, birdie. Touch birdie. Touch
Touch
birdie.
the birdie, Mama.
Touch the birdie. Touch it. Touch it. Touch the birdie.
Sully's like, nah.
Oh. Oh.
And birds attack. Oh.
Hey, stop it.
See?
Mommy.
Are you scared? It's okay.
It's okay. You got